Hi, welcome to Nona's Here. I'm Nona, and today I am unboxing the Ice Cream February subscription box. Now, I don't know why I got it so late, but it says February, and the box says the best things in life are sweet. And this month's theme, or February's theme, is Love Notes. And I just got it yesterday, so it's hot off the delivery truck. I didn't even know I hadn't gotten February's, but here it is. So it's a really good box. Let's take a look at it. So the first thing I see is gotta put my glasses on, Peptide Lip Tint by Rhode. Here's the box. And here's what it looks like. It's in a pretty pink little tube. Take off the top. And it's one of those that you squeeze and put on your lips, but I'm not gonna open it. And the little card that they always send with us to tell us about the product. This nourishing lip tint delivers a sheer wash of color while hydrating lips with skin-loving peptides. Perfect for everyday wear, it leaves lips feeling soft and plump. Apply alone for a natural tint or lay over lipstick for added shine. And the retail value of that is $20. Okay, the next thing is Blushing Blush by Babe Beauty. And the retail, it comes in this pretty little gold box. And the retail value of this is $18. So I have to push it out of the little gold box. That's the gold box. And it looks like this. Babe Beauty. Now let's see if I can get it open. Let's see, there are the hinges. I'm gonna use my little scissors to pry it open. And I think this was the one. You get, did I get a choice on this? I can't remember. There we go. All right. Oh, that's really pretty. There's the blush. Blushing Blush. Let's see if it gives me a name. For all skin tones, achieve a level of blush. It's vegan, not tested on animals. Does it give me a color? A silky blush that adds a healthy, buildable pop of color to your cheeks. The lightweight formula blends seamlessly for a soft, natural finish. Dust slightly onto cheeks and layer for more intensity without caking. All right, well that's nice. I'm not gonna swatch it. I have a lot of blushes that I'm using right now, several that I really like. So I'm gonna put that aside. Okay, the next thing is this Signature Palette by Ofra. Now, I really like Ofra. Let's see what this says. Blush Signature Palette by Ofra Cosmetics, $37. A versatile palette packed with richly pigmented blush tones that flatter every skin tone. Blend shades for a custom flush or use individually for a natural radiant glow. Sweep across the apples of your cheeks and blend upward for a lifted effect. These shades can also double as eye shades. Okay, so let's take, this is the biggie of this palette, You always get a palette with ice cream and some kind of nice palette. Now they're calling this a blushing palette, but that you can use it for eye shade. So there's the palette case. and it says Ofra on it. And let's look at what it looks like. So you can use it for blush or for eyeshadow. Oh, it's a beauty. Comes with a mirror. And look at those shades. Those are beautiful. Let's see, we've got small letters that I can't read. Crazy Pink, Candy Apple, Pink Satin, Pink Lady, and Winter. I can't read it. Those are the names. So let's see. Crazy Pink, Candy Apple. That must be Candy Apple. Pink Satin, Pink Lady. Oh, there we go. Winter Rose Glow. That's Winter Rose Glow. This one is Crazy Pink. Beautiful. Signature Palette Blush. Apply wet or dry with a powder or blush brush to the cheek. For a sun-kissed look, swipe across the bridge of the nose here. Now, if you're older, like me, you start your blush here and swipe upwards because you want to lift it. If you're younger, you can put your blush here. But because I'm older and everything drops because of lack of collagen in your face and everywhere else in your body, I start my blush here and I lift up. But that's a beautiful palette by Ofra. Okay, then we have another palette, and this is Electric Rose Palette by Cheeky Rose Beauty for $22. There's another palette, 12 Universal Face Palette, perfect for day or night. This vibrant palette features electric pinks and rose-inspired hues for creative eye looks. These are the true perfect shades for soft eyeshadow look. Top, mix and match shades for a custom look, or use the lighter tones as a highlighter on the brow bone. Okay, it also has a mirror. Look at that. That's beautiful. Look at all those shades. Every shade and tone of pink with sparkle, mattes, a white for highlighter. These are beautiful. That's a beautiful palette. Both eyeshadow and blush. Beautiful palette. Okay, and that retails for $22. All right, so I'm gonna put that over here. And then the last thing that we get is a crystal eyeshadow stick by Lash Step. And this retails for $20. All right, now I love these crayon sticks. They are so easy to use and to apply on for eyeshadows. And this is a beauty. And here it is. It's a beautiful light pink. Now I have to tell you, this is the first thing I opened in my ice cream box. And I did swipe it on the top of my hand, which is clean, but I did swipe it. This is the only thing that I swiped. Everything else I just opened and looked at, but I swiped this. But here is the deal, and I'm gonna take it down a little if I can. Yes, I can. Take it down a little. And on the other side is a smudger, if you wanna smudge the crayon. But it's so easy to use and they're so fun to use. But here is the deal. I have several of these crayons. I have several blushes that I'm currently using. I have, let me get this back on without talking because I don't want to touch it. The tall one goes over the stick. The tall plastic lid goes over the stick. The short plastic lid goes over the smudger. I have several of these. And I have several blushes that I'm using right now. And I have several palettes with pinks, different pinks. And I have several lip glosses for my lips. And I have several blush palettes. So I don't need any of this. So I'm going to give it away. I'm going to give away this entire ice cream box for February. Everything. The retail value of this box is $117 when I added up the retail value of everything. And this is what you have to do. And this is a surprise, secret, generous gift that is not being announced on the thumbnail. You have to watch this video. You have to make a comment down below and use the word pink. And I'm not going to put it on the screen. I'm just going to tell you. And try and make it so that it's not real obvious. Like, I really like pink blush. Or I really like pink eyeshadow. Or I'd really like to try that pink crayon eyeshadow stick. Try and make it not real obvious. Now you can tell all your family, all your friends, all your YouTube buddies that I'm doing a secret giveaway. And they can come over and watch this video and they can enter it. But I am not publicizing it on the thumbnail. This is only for my viewers who watch my ice cream video, okay? You have to be publicly subscribed, 18 years of age or older, or have your parents or guardians' permission. You must have a mailing address in the continental United States. You have to understand that I am not responsible if you have any allergic reaction. So try anything that you've never used before first to make sure that you don't have an allergic reaction. I'm not responsible after I mail it out for if it's lost, strayed, stolen, or broken. I will, of course, pay for the shipping. This has nothing to do with ice cream, YouTube, or any other brand or corporation mentioned. This is my giveaway for entertainment purposes only. I paid for this box that you're going to receive as a gift from me. It's purely just a gift from me. Let's see, all the rules will be down below, and this is going to be really quick. So today, I'm making this video on Tuesday, March 3rd. I'll either get it up tonight or tomorrow, and it's going to close on Saturday at 12 o'clock Central Time. So if today's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. So that'll be the 7th of March at 12 noon Central Standard Time. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes, it's going to close on Saturday, March 7th at 12 noon Central Time. It's real quick. It's just for my viewers who are real loyal and watch my subscription box videos, okay? You'll get everything that's in this box. I'll repackage everything. Unfortunately, I threw away all the little, they put in foam peanuts, and I threw those away because I didn't know I was going to give it away. When I first opened it, I didn't know I was going to give it away when I used that little stick, the eye stick. So if you're afraid to use it, you can throw it away, or you can take a wet wipe and just wipe it off, where I had tried it on the back of my hand, and that would clean it off. My hand was clean, but wipe it off with a wet wipe. One day I was at Walmart, and I was in the cosmetic section, and I was watching, and there was this lady in the same aisle, and she was down by the lipstick, and she was obviously looking for a certain color of lipstick. She must have taken 5 tubes of lipstick, opened them up, and rubbed them across her hand. Put the cap on, put it back. Took another tube, took the top off, rubbed it against her hand. Put the tube back on, put it on. She did this with 5 or 6 tubes of lipstick till she found the one that she wanted. I couldn't believe it. Anyway, all I did was rub it a little bit across the back of my hand. And if you just take a wipe and wipe it off, it'll be perfectly fine. But if you're afraid to do that, then just throw it away. But that, I didn't know I was going to give this whole box away. So that's it. Don't forget, you have to be publicly subscribed. So make sure you're publicly subscribed, and you have to comment using that special word. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you again very soon at Nona's Here. Bye.